The community coaches is so important in love.golf just because we kind of bounce ideas off each other constantly. We're always chatting and interacting, whether that's at conferences or just on the WhatsApp group. It's just great to be able to have a relationship with other coaches and not just feel so by yourself all the time.
It's quite good to post that out there and know that there's someone out there that's probably going to have an answer that's going to help you. It's great just having that support.
You don't get that as a PGA Pro, to have that sort of group of like-minded coaches that you can kind of bounce ideas off and have webinars we have and everything. That's all really great just for learning from each other, I think. PGA Pros tend to be very kind of isolated, very singular. You just do, you don't really share what you do with people.
It's a very open community where we welcome discussion. That environment is without doubt what makes us better at what we do.
Back in August, I was feeling a little bit negative about my coaching and just, I think all golf pros sort of go through that roller coaster. It was at that point that I knew that I had somewhere to go and that I belonged to a little family. That was amazing.